In today's video, I am going to teach you how to recover a deleted drawing in AutoCAD. If you've lost a drawing or something went wrong during a crash, don't panic. AutoCAD leaves behind several safety nets that can help you get your work back. We will walk through 3 reliable options: restoring from a backup file, using autosave files, and opening the Drawing Recovery Manager. First, try restoring from a backup file. AutoCAD automatically creates a backup of your drawing in the same folder where you last saved it. Open that folder and look for a file that has the same name as your drawing but ends with .bak. Before you do anything else, make a copy of that .bak file so you always have an untouched version to fall back on. Now rename the copied file and change the extension from .bak to .dwg. If you don't see file extensions in your File Explorer, make sure they're visible so you can change it correctly. Once it's renamed, double-click to open it in AutoCAD. This is often the quickest way to restore a recent version of your work. If the backup isn't there or it's outdated, check AutoCAD's autosave files. Autosave creates periodic snapshots with an .sv extension, usually stored in your User Profiles temp folder. Open C drive, then open Users, then open Username, then open App Data, then open Local, then open Temp folder. Here scroll to find the autosave files. These files often include your drawing's name and a timestamp. Copy the .sv file you want to a safe location. Rename the extension from .sv to .dwg and open it in AutoCAD. Pick the most recent timestamp to get the latest progress, and if several exist, open them one at a time and compare to find the best recovery point. Again, always work on copies, so you don't lose anything while testing. If your issue followed a crash, the Drawing Recovery Manager can do the heavy lifting. When you relaunch AutoCAD after a crash, it may open automatically and list any recoverable files associated with your sessions. If it doesn't appear, type Drawing Recovery in the command line and press Enter to open it. Expand the lists you see to locate your file, then choose the latest backup or autosave shown for that drawing. Double-click to open it. Review the contents carefully and save it immediately with a new name in a safe folder, so you don't overwrite other versions. With these built-in tools, you can often recover your work. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.